Hey kindergarten friends, it's Mrs. Henderly. Today we are going to be doing some CVC words where we are trying to figure out a missing sound. So we're going to look at the picture, we're going to tap out the word, and then, like I said, figure out which sound is missing. So let's go ahead and get started. Our first picture is a picture of a fan. Let's tap out fan. F-A-N, fan. So the middle sound is missing. What's the middle sound in fan? F-A-N. What's that middle sound? That's your elbow sound. A. A-N. A. Okay, let's do the next one. Rat. Let's tap out rat. R-at. R-at. Rat. We're looking for the last sound, that final sound. What's the final sound in rat? At. Good. Next one. Milk comes in a jug. Let's tap out jug. J. G. J. G. We're looking for that final sound. J. G. Your final sound was G. Good. Okay. Gum. Gum. Let's tap out gum. G. M. G. M. Looking for that middle sound. G. M. What sound says The letter U. Top. Let's tap out top. T. A. T. A. Looking for the first beginning sound. What's that beginning sound? T. A. T. Good. So we have fan, rat, jug, gum, top. Okay, here we have be careful, it's not a hat. I know it's not a hat because the final sound is P. It's a cap. Let's tap it out. K-A-P. K-A-P. The beginning sound is what we're looking for. The beginning sound is K. K. Now is it a C or is it a K? K. K. It's a C. Cap. Okay, we have a jet. Tap out jet. J. Et. J. Et. Looking for that middle sound. J. Et. Eh, eh, eh. What letter says eh, eh, eh? E. Okay, bat. B. At. B. At. Looking for that final sound. B. At. The final sound was a T. T. Bat. Now be careful. Is this a pot or a pan? I know it's pan because the final sound is N. Pan. Let's tap out pan. P. A. N. P. A. N. Looking for the middle sound. P. A. N. A. 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 Sun. S. N. S. N. Looking for that middle sound again. S. N. What says The letter U says So we have cap, jet, bat, pan, sun. Okay, last one. Last column. Bag. B-A-G. B-A-G. We're looking for the beginning sound. B-A-G. What was that first sound? It was the sound B. 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 Rug. R-U-G. R-U-G. Looking for the final sound. R-U-G. What sound was that? G. G. Zip. Z-I-P. Z-I-P. Middle sound. Z-I-P. That middle sound is I. I. Iggy iguana. 10. T, e, n, t, e, n. Looking for the middle sound. T, e, n, e. Last one. Cat. Oh, everybody knows this one. K, at, k, at. Looking for the final sound. K, at, t, t, t. T. Okay. Bag, rug, zip, 10, cat. Excellent. So, friends, what I want you to do is I'm going to project another one like this, and I want you, on a piece of paper, you're going to pause the video, and you are going to write the words down on your paper. Okay? So you're going to have to find the missing sound, just like we just did. There we go. And write the words. Okay? So so just pause the video, and then you can work on this CVC word task. Have a great day.